Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by prepping materials and taking the first actionable drape step. Start with a fitted petticoat tied snug at your natural waist. This anchors the net. Once done, tuck one end at the navel and wrap the saree clockwise around your hips once to create a base. Make small, even tucks. Net slides so you need firm, frequent tucks. Use one safety pin at the first tuck to hold position. You're creating structure now, so subsequent pleats and pallu behave predictably. You now form the pleats and set the pallu with care. Gather 5 to 7 neat pleats about 4 to 5 centimeters each, aligning the raw edges so the net reads cleanly. This reduces snagging. Hold the pleats together firmly and slide them into the petticoat at the center front, then secure with 2 pins, one through pleats into petticoat and a second hidden behind for stability. Once pinned, toss the pallu over your shoulder and shape its fall to frame your torso. Finish by refining fit and resolving common issues. Check symmetry and hemline, adjust waist tucks so the border grazes the floor and the pallu sits comfortably on the shoulder. If the net slips, apply short non-slip tape between petticoat and net or add a small safety pin behind the waist. If a tear appears, patch from the wrong side with matching net and a few hand stitches. Make sure pins are hidden and you can move without strain, then you're ready to step out.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.